Powergrid Corporation of India Limited की Corporate Social Responsibility CSR Fund की Makhada Lamdam ASIDA Health Care Facilities HENNA CHAOKHATNAHANNABAGI PANDAMDA Ambulance ama Indian Red Cross Society KAKCHING da ngasi KHUTSINNAKHRE Ambulance KHUTSINNABAGI tharamaduna saruk yakiba IRCS KAKCHING branch ke president gi thausu puriba Deputy Commissioner KAKCHING Angelina Renita RIAS na phongdokibada district asi anoba district ama oibaga loinana awat apakaya tana pik thana leiri KAKCHING district ki district hospital su hौजिक कन्ना सेमगत सगतपगी थबक चथरी असिगुंबा इक्विपमेंट अमदी मेन पावर के अवाट अपाकया लेरिंगै चेरक असिदा पावर ग्रिड की माइकैदगी मतेंग पांगबिरक पाइबसी डिस्ट्रिक्ट असिगी अचौबा एसेट अमा ओइहौरगनी मतुंग तारकपदसु डिस्ट्रिक्ट असिगी याइफा चौखत थौरांग पाखलकपदसु सीएसओ सिंगी माइकैदगिसु apam da apen pen da phongdok piru amaga cooperation pinaduna district asibu hena chawkhat pa mangjil thaba district ama ohena ba hotna minesi haina phongdokhi ambulance asibu phangna ba hotna bada achobo thodang lokhiba IRCS ki patron member amasu oidiba manipur lenga ki art and culture yas MIN kadagi secretary su oidiba Naurem Pravin IAS pusu IRCS KAKCHING branch ki maike digi thagat pa phongdorakhi thoromadura secretary art and culture yas MIN kada Naurem Pravin IAS DC KAKCHING Angelina Renita RIAS Chairman IRCS KAKCHING District M Rajkumar Vice Chairman M Sadat Secretary in charge N Jiten Loinana Chief General Manager Personnel Power Grid RHQ Silong Surendra Kumar Maji Senior Deputy General Manager Station in charge Power Grid Infal Substation Waribam Amarjit Amadi Chief Manager Singyauna Atay Atopa Maru Oiba Staff Kyasu Sarukyaki.
Earlier this KAKCHING was part of the district. Then Suresh Babu at a very young age he became this Deputy Commissioner of Power. And those days it was very difficult for an outsider, even if he is a direct recruiting, to become
distance is very small. It's just 20 to 30 kilometers away from the district headquarters. And if it is the case of like any going to the Chandigarh is also a little bit difficult because of this ongoing ethnic violences. So I hope like this ambulance is very much very helpful to our district to help the common people. You said sir like this is a very small help because we are having a limited budget, but from our district side